to highlight text in Canva. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily highlight any text inside your Canva. So let me just show you an example by simply selecting any text like this. So let me just give my text a name like this by simply typing it as an highlights. So I'll just increase the font so that you can clearly see it over here. So as you can see, now all I have to do to make this highlight text is just tap on the text that you want to highlight, and once you tap on it, just click on this effects button over here and then scroll all the way down until under your left section of the screen and just tap on this background, and just like that you have successfully highlighted your text. You can also increase or decrease your roundness, speed and transparency from over here, and you can also choose the shape and size of the text the way you want, set it up like that. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.